guys, today we are going to do Bourbon milkshake for my brother's birthday. So let's start. For this we needed 2 cups of milk and some sugar and some cocoa powder, and we need 6 Bourbon biscuits. I'm gonna blend all of these items in this blender. Nathan, this is for you. You are the genius and master. You can taste it and tell, okay?
That's too yummy.
It's yummy. He's telling it's yummy. Thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe to N Bros. So like, share, and comment. Subscribe to
Challenge.
Subscribe to N Bros.
Bye.
Bye.